Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a massage gun. So many of you who knows this product, you can buy online. Is very cheap price, maybe between 30 to 40 euro. But there is a premium quality also, expensive. But this is like just normal. This is rechargeable, so it's very comfortable and useful device to massage your body. So as we know how it works, one press and hold, and you see this vibration. This vibration will massage your muscles or body. So there is a good few setting, you can keep pressing, get more power on it. So, and press and hold, off. So all I'm saying, many of you who knows this is the video for them. Sometimes over time this device can break or out of service. So before you throw it, you can fix and see what's happened, and you can fix yourself. So now today I'm going to show you. I have a friend who has one of those, but this is a bit premium quality. So I already disassemble. What happened this device, when sometime when he or she use, it works for a few minutes and then stop automatically. And sometimes when you switch it on, it don't work. So now today I took all the part, and I'm going to explain you what happened with this device. This device has two issues. Number one is some component was crack. Maybe it fell on the ground. As you can see here, I can show you in the finger here. You see this is broken. Maybe it fell. When it fell, all the pressure goes here, and it was crack here and crack there, but only the body was broken, but the connection was okay. So it's not this because of broken this part, that's why this is not working. It was not working because the battery pack issue. Okay, this is rechargeable battery, so this battery has some problem. I don't know how long this machine was using. Over time battery can damage, or inside this battery there is a one I cannot show you now. Inside there is a chips. That chips circuit, that circuit charge this battery and then deliver the power. So let's go, stay with me, and I explain you one by one. Thank you very much. Okay, I start with easy one first. So this is the component was cracked, and you can see almost coming out from the part, and this is the place where screw need to go in to make it tight, and I already glued some place here. You can buy, and also see this area. This is the part where the screw should be going in, and that was also broke. So there is a component or kind of glue you can buy from the shop to mix together, and when you apply on the plastic, trust me, they bond very very good, very strong. Okay, that's done. Now we check the battery. How we know this battery is giving issue? So you can see this connection, there is a two red and black. That is the output. So this battery is charged, it should be showing power. Okay, we check the multimeter. It's not stable, it's like jumping the reading. By right should be showing stable reading. For example, here is one small battery 1.5. Let's go and test it. If I check with the meter 1.5, you see that straight away is 1.5. so that this battery is okay. So that's the way I can tell you the device battery pack not working. So it's due to happen because of the circuit inside, some parts is gone or something wrong. Okay, we test again. Double check. When I press this, see that second time showing me same. So but by right, if the battery is okay, it should be showing 25 volt. So okay, and now I already installed that. When I switch it on, this light should be on if the battery is okay, but light is not on, so that means no power. So make double check again. I connect that, nothing, zero. So now I'm going to show you can work this alternative way. So let's go and check it out. I put the power supply now, yeah, and its light is on, and that's the way it should be, and switch it on. So when I switch it on, that battery power, we can see how they're showing me 25.5. Yeah, now you can work this machine without the battery rather than recycle this or throwing that way. So how you can do, this is the battery you can buy from online. I will show you the picture. So I leave one side this battery pack, so still I can use this machine. And how is possible? So I need to bypass the battery, so I need to put directly. So how you can do that, you see this connection here, I put the connection directly to the switch point. So let's say now we plug it in this device and it's connected. You see the light is on. Okay, so you can still work. So let's go and test. Press. Okay, good, working. Press again for second speed. Okay, third speed. Okay, so it works. So all you need to do now, throw the battery away or leave the battery inside, disconnect the battery and connect this device directly with power supply. So this is the battery pack. It's no good anymore. You can fix this machine 100% right way to buy this battery pack from online. Same battery pack, it will cost you around 38 euro, which is same price as the device price. So now all up to your decision. Do you want to throw that away this machine, or you want to buy a new battery pack? Or alternatively, you can use this machine by the direct power supply. So thank you very much. I hope this video will find you helpful. Thank you again.